Everyone is talking about AI, but few are using it to earn real money. In this video, I'll show you 5 proven ways to make money online using free AI tools. No investment, no coding, no experience needed. Let's turn your phone into a money machine, like a true digital monk. Combinating 1. Write and sell ebooks. First, use ChatGPT to write a short ebook in minutes. You can sell motivational books, niche guides like how to improve focus, or storybooks generated by AI. Tools to use: ChatGPT for content, Canva for designing the ebook, Gumroad or Google Drive, plus UPI to sell. Pro tip: use your YouTube Shorts to promote your ebook. 2. Sell AI art and posters. Second, become a digital artist without drawing anything. Use Midjourney or Leonardo AI to create stunning art. Then upload on sites like Redbubble, Etsy as digital download, Printify for t-shirts, mugs, etc. Even memes and spiritual designs sell well. 3. Offer AI voiceovers. Third, use ElevenLabs to create studio-quality voiceovers. You can earn by selling voiceovers on Fiverr, dubbing TikToks or Shorts, offering audiobooks on demand. People are looking for voices for their content. Be their solution. 4. Start an AI-powered YouTube Shorts channel. Fourth, start a channel just like this one. Here's the formula. Use ChatGPT to write the script, ElevenLabs for the voice, CapCut or Pixverse for video. Add subtitles. Post daily shorts. Repeat. Viral videos equals passive income. Monetize with affiliate links, digital products, and shoutouts. 5. Create and sell digital avatars. Fifth, create digital avatars using tools like DID, HeyGen, or Pika. So now you know how to make money online using only AI, with zero investment. But remember, tools don't make you rich. Consistency does. Start small, stay focused, and build like a monk in a digital world. Comment below. Which method will you try?